a boat. It's a flatback canoe. They got a trolley motor on the back. No, it ain't flatback. They just got a little brace on the side. No. That's cool. That's 3 men in a canoe. That's good. We're right at high tide right now. So everybody's getting in and out. Some jet skis out there playing in the water. I don't have your shades on, so they might get bright. Oh, skiff, they call them, I think. To me, it's just a jumbo, overrated jumbo. Well decked out. This one's a little more than a jumbo. I don't know what's going on. The other end's close too. How you doing? That's a mullet. Shallow waters. Swim in schools. Leaping clear of water. Feed on algae and decaying matter. Oh boy, they ain't no wonder they're all over the canals. So that's the walk through here for now. We're gonna go to the other side even though it's high tide. I'm just gonna go check a couple things out if I can. Alright.